Good day. How's everyone doing today? Today we will be looking at diffusion. So diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration until the particles are evenly distributed. So where does diffusion occur? Make a good guess. Now let's look at the two diagrams. The first one is a diagram showing what? Very good, a gas. And the second one is a diagram showing you liquid. So diffusion occurs in gases and liquids. Awesome. Now, can you guess if diffusion occurs faster in gases or in liquids? Look at those slow-moving liquid particles and look at those fast-moving gas particles. Yes, diffusion occurs faster in gases. But can you guess why? This is because the particles in a gas, they have more space. As a result, movement occurs more freely. So you might ask, is there an end? When does diffusion end? Diffusion will continue to happen. It will continue to occur until there is uniform distribution of particles. Huh? So now we're going to look at some examples of diffusion. So the first example that we have here is this guy is smelling some coffee. So how does that coffee get from in that cup to his nose? You guessed correctly. Diffusion. The gas particles move from a region of high concentration, which is the cup, to a region of low concentration, which is his nose. Another example that you are all familiar with. I know you said PU. I know. But the reason that you can smell those stink gases is because of diffusion. So now we will look at diffusion in liquids. So diffusion in liquids, diffusion will continue to happen until there is what? Very good, you are so intelligent. Diffusion in liquid will happen until there is uniform distribution of particles. Okay, and when this happens, the mixture will look the same throughout. Okay, and then we give it a name, we say that it is homogeneous. Now let's look at this example here with the water and the potassium permanganate. What happens when we put the potassium permanganate in water? What happens is that the potassium permanganate, it spreads until the particles would have evenly distributed. So now let's look at some example of diffusion in our everyday life. The first one is Kool-Aid. When we add Kool-Aid to water, what happens is that the Kool-Aid particles, it spreads until the particles are evenly distributed. Another example we have here is tea bags. When we put tea bags in water, what happens is that the tea bag diffuses in the water. Trivia time! So can you tell me, how does temperature affect diffusion? What's the effect of temperature on diffusion? Wow, you got me. You are so intelligent. Yes, at high temperatures, diffusion will happen more quickly. And at low temperatures, diffusion will happen slower. Awesome.